Hey guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is Phoenix. And today on the show we're going to draw
Dogman from the movie.
Dogman from the movie. All right, let's get to it.
Yeah, he's gonna be like, hey, bah.
You need your pen
Yep.
and your paper.
Pew.
Let's get to it. So we're going to draw Dogman's eyes. They're kind of like little rectangles with highlights in it. So you want to leave enough room in the middle so you can do like a white dot.
You can also pause the video if we're going too fast.
That's right. So around about here, you want to do 1 and then 2 next to each other. And we want to leave some room in the middle for a white dot. So be very careful. So color in the top black and the bottom black. So you want to do something like this.
Like that?
Beautiful. Now what we want to do is we want to do his eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
So he's got one U over here and one U over there, like that. Yep.
Surprise face.
Surprise face. Okay, so the next step is we're going to draw his head and his nose and his chin, but he's going to have his tongue sort of sticking out to the side like some dogs do. So what I want to do, what you guys want to do is we want to start sort of here. We're going to do a heel. I want to come around to about there. So follow me.
Okay.
So we go up and around and we're going to stop about there. Okay, yep, that's it, good job. Now, we want to do his, what's the part of his nose?
Part of his nose.
So you want to go a line that goes like that. Yep, and we can do like his dot nose, so color a circle in black there. Yep, it's kind of like Snoopy.
Snoopy.
And we want to do a curve that comes around here and goes into there. So we're going to go down, curve it in, and we're going to go all the way up above to there, like that. Very good, guys. Now, while we're here, we may as well do the tongue, yeah? Tongue. So his tongue's sticking out. So you want to go sort of a curved line that goes around like that, meets the line of the face, curves in, and goes back into his body like that.
Now we need a line.
And we're going to do a line sort of to differentiate the tongue, like that. There we go. Now we want to do an imaginary line here to finish off his face that sort of goes underneath his tongue, and we pick it up over here and we draw it and it sort of stops there. Okay, oh, you're right. Good job.
And
Now, cool. This line here curves in, comes around, it heads towards the tongue, but before it gets there, it goes back into his nose up there, like so.
okay, so this way.
Yep. Curve it in and then go up. Yep, beautiful.
What is this?
All will be revealed. Now, on this part here of his mouth, you want to just curve it in so it meets the tongue. Yep. And then what you want to do is you want to imagine the line going underneath that tongue and it goes in like that. And then we're going to hug this one very closely and go all the way up to there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just do.
Yep. That's it. Keep going, keep going. Do, do, do. You did it. So this is going to be the part of his mouth inside here, and this is like the edge of his chin, sort of thing. Okay. Pretty cool.
Da, 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 da.
Now he's going to be in some sort of weird, not weird, he's going to be in some sort of interesting pose, like with his arm back this way and another arm like that. All right. So to get this right, I think we're going to have to draw his foot out in a karate chop.
Wait, what about his ears and his hat?
We could do that. Do you want to do that next? Yeah, okay. We're going to do his ears and his hats and the ears and his hat next. Okay. So up here, you want to go up and around, bit of a curve like that, one ear. And then we're going to do the next one around and up, like so, like that. Okay, that's his ears. And now his hat is actually not going to be in his head, it's sort of up in the sky because he's like jumped up, okay? So the best thing we can do here is we can draw like a cake, like that. Sort of a U shape. And then you want to come from the bottom of the hat and we want to go sort of like a wave that goes back in like that to form the brim of the cap. Yep. And then kind of like what Phoenix has done here, you want to, at the bottom of the cap, you want to just form that off there. And so this is going to be, you can make this black in here. I'm going to leave a little highlight up there just to sell the illusion of this being a cool.
And then the most famous bit of the hat.
What's the most famous bit of the hat, Phoenix?
The badge.
The badge. It looks like a flower, doesn't it? So you want to do like a U, like that.
W.
And you do a W on the top or an M, whatever. So it's like an egg that's sort of hatched, isn't it? Okay.
And we're hatching eggs right now.
We are hatching eggs right now. We're hatching chickens. in an incubator.
Incubator.
Okay. What should we do next?
Maybe the arm that's sticking out here.
Okay. So he's going to have his arm out like this.
Like, oh.
Okay. So we're going to come from the part of his head up here, sort of maybe somewhere there. And we're going to draw one line like that. Like he's got a bit of spaghetti hanging out of his face. And then we're going to draw probably from the tongue around there, like so. And this is where his elbow is going to be. Yep. And we're going to go in an angle up this way. Good job. And then his other arm is going to come up. Other part of his arm is going to come up into there. And then we're going to do a line that goes into there. Forms the shape of his arm, doesn't it?
Mine looks like it's about to.
All right, so what do you want to do from here? You want to draw just a line that goes up to form part of his hand. Okay, yep. And then this next part here, we're going to go up, but we're going to do a circle, okay? So you go up and then circle it in like that. So that's forming his hand in a fist. Okay. And then from there, we want to do his thumb back over on the other side. So on this side, he want to do his thumb. Another circle. Keep it simple.
Okay.
Yep. And then you want to do another finger and another finger like that. So it's like he's got his hand in a fist and his thumb is over some of the knuckles. All right. And if you're clever, you can sort of like do some loops in here to make it look like the sleeve is sort of open. So you could like draw a little line in there, Phoenix, like that. Yep, that's it. You could do it on the other side as well if you wanted to, but up to you. Yep. And then you could, yeah, that's cool. Now, what should we do next? I'm thinking we do his foot first, and I'll show you why in a minute. All will be revealed. So his foot is actually going to be up in the air, sort of thing like that, like he's doing a karate chop. So we want to get that so we know where the body will sit and where his leg will sit. We want to get that right. So around this area here, we're going to do sort of like a jelly bean. So you want to do like a circle like that, comes around, sort of edges in like that. And it's kind of like a bean. See that? Good work. Oh, that's a beautiful bean, Phoenix. Awesome. Now on this, so that's going to be the sole of his foot. And sort of on the edge here, we're going to draw the top of his shoe. So you want to go sort of around about here, follow that line, curve around and come to the bottom. So it's almost like, that looks like a sponge that you would wash your car with, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There.
Okay. So we're going to come back now and do the body. So around the bottom of his chin here, you want to do a line that sort of curves in there like a hill, like so. Yep. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do his arm that sits here. He's going to have an arm coming out. That might be the easiest thing to do next. So from here, let's draw a line to about there. Yep. And we're going to draw another line on top of that. It sort of goes to about there. It's looking a bit strange at the moment, but all will be revealed.
Mine looks a bit more strange.
No, it is not strange.
What is eyes?
Now we're going to do like a sort of a curve here. So imagine this is a pipe. And we're going to do a curve that goes around like that. Beautiful, Phoenix.
It's a hook.
Yep.
Hook.
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 At the top of that pipe, I want you to curve it up like that. Yep. Beautiful.
Not a hook.
Another hook. So from this line to that line there. So this line to that line, I want you to curve in around like that. So it kind of looks like a claw.
You mean like a Lego
Magic
claw?
claw or magic claw?
Lego
Lego claw?
claw.
A Lego claw? Yep.
Lego fingers.
Yeah.
They don't have fingers.
All right, from here, we're gonna like draw his hand clenching. So we'll draw a long little line like that. And then we're gonna do a little mound like that for one of his hands and fingers. And then in here, we're gonna draw sort of a sideways U like that. Cool, beautiful. And then just between these two here, you can just do a bump like that. So that's one of his knuckles. So in here, just in there. Yep. Good work, Phoenix. And then we're gonna do the same underneath this knuckle finger here. I'm just gonna do a U that comes in like that. Yep. And then we wanna bring it up as far as you can go and then just draw a line into there. So bring it up even more if you want. Bring it right up into there. Yep, you can do that. And then see here how I've got a little gap. So that would be like how, you know, the shirt's hanging down. It's like so. Okay. There we go. Cool. And if you want, you can sort of like maybe draw a bit of a line here to give the illusion that it's sort of moving. Okay. Now, the next thing is we're going to form the rest of Dogman's body. So from this tongue down to this arm, we just want to form that out like that. Beautiful, Phoenix. All right. And then we're going to imagine there's an imaginary line going underneath that arm. And we're going to go all the way down to here and just give it a slight curve like that. A slight hook. Yep. And then this here, we're going to draw a line that goes up around here and curves in here. So watch me. Round, up. I want to curve that into like that, like so. Yep, so you're going to go up a hill, go right up into here, into there, keep going, and then curve it around like that. Yep, okay, cool. And then while we're on his shirt, he normally has this insignia that he has up here on his shirt, but we can't really see that because his hand's, you know, covering it here. So we just draw a little U like that. So just in there.
Hey, Daddy, why?
Don't worry, we'll fix it. Don't worry, we'll fix it. So
can I just connect it?
Yeah, you can connect it. Yep, that's your version of it. So from here, we want to show Dogman's karate kick leg coming out to the side. So this is what this point here is. So you want to do a line that sort of goes to there, like that. See? Now you've got a short line there, Phoenix. You can do it wherever you want. Yep. And then at the back, I want to put a U here. And at the bottom of that U, I want you guys to go a line like that. And so this is his leg. So imagine that's the loop. Yep. And then we'll do like a line that goes like that from the bottom of the pants. So just, oh, you've done that. Okay, that's cool. That's fine. All right. So now what you want to do, you want to do the other leg. It's at the back. You want to do kind of like an interesting shape like that.
Yeah, let me try.
And what you can do here is you can just like do that there as well. Yep, just bring it right back in. Yep, that's it. And then we want to do his other shoe here. So it's like a U, like that. Obviously, Phoenix, you just, yep, that's it. You can do that. You can do, that's perfect, Phoenix. You made that work for you. See that? See how Phoenix has run out a bit of room at the bottom, but he made it work for him, for his drawing. And then we just want to do the sole of the shoe like that. And I think there's one thing missing, Phoenix. Good job. What's missing? I can see something missing.
I think it is...
There's one thing missing on his nose.
His dots.
His dots,
We should
right.
have got done that in the first place.
So he's got 3 dots up here, Like
One.
so.
2, 3.
And there you go. That is Dogman from the Dogman movie going, hiya!
Hiya!
Well done, Phoenix. You did a very, very good job of that. I like that movement. He's got some really interesting karate kicks going on there.
Back hurts.
Oh, your back hurts. All right. All right. So we've drawn the outlines of Dogman. What is the next step?
Color in.
We're going to color it in. We'll see you on the other side, guys. Enjoy your coloring in and take your time.
Ooh.
Cool. All right, there we go, guys. We finished coloring in. What do you think?
You.
Yay! Really cool, really funky, isn't it? I love yours, Phoenix. Yours is really, really cool. It's got a really cool artistic vibe going on there. It's like, hiya! We went with the traditional Dogman colors, of course, but you know, at home you can color them in however you wish because that's the whole point of art. It's making it your own and having fun with it, isn't it?
Yeah, you can make it like red, blue, purple, pink, green, every color.
That's exactly right. Every color you can think of. Yep. You want to make it a Batman color, you want to make a Superman color, you want to make a Spider-Man color,
You
go
could
for it.
even do like one of those,
Oh, you could do like
the
half
lines.
or, you know, four.
The
one,
lines
you
thing.
could do 4 lines,
And you
one
could
line here,
do
one line there.
normal,
Yep.
pixelated, slimy, and fiery.
Yeah,
or any
that's
type,
right.
type of
Cool.
like, something.
That's awesome. Very, very good.
Yeah.
All right, guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
Phoenix. And today we had fun making art, and I hope you did too. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Woo! This is the longest Art Raving Dad video ever filmed. Hello, hello, Juice and Gunani.
So let's get to it.
No.
See you soon.
See you soon.
No. you're already here. What am I talking about?
Well, they're mostly lines in the comic, but in the movie, they're little ovals.
The little ovals. Okay, that's a good explanation.
Oh, so close.